Hello again. So this is still on project 2 and it's part 2 where the adjustment layer will be the channel mixer. And briefly again, I don't want to spend too much time because my videos are too long for upload. Layers I've converted to layer 0, the background. The image I know is in the required color space, the Adobe RGB 1998. And let's look at the size. The size was shot at 300, and so I will resample it to make this 10. And you see immediately the resolution jumped up, but that's okay because whatever we have done to this image non-destructively will not affect the image itself. So that's as far as I would go, showing the non-destructive editing of color images. And I'm going to save this in our file on desktop, PSD file number 2, and I'm going to call it color. And that's it. And now I'm ready to proceed with my adjustments. Actually, before I do that, I may want to do something here. I may want to show you how to use this spot healing brush. As you can see, I want to get rid of this. So just take the spot healing brush and do it. And that's about it. I know if you want to do it a more complicated way, you can go and sharpen the image, but I managed to do it pretty cleanly here. So I'm not going to go into that. Unfortunately, I have to save again so that correction is reflected in my color image, which I'm going to work on. So, and also before I go in, when you are doing the spotting has to have the content aware highlighted here, and all the layers should be sampled, okay? So pay attention to your tabs up there. So now we are going to change this color image into a black and white. We will go to the layer portion of Photoshop and go to channel mixer. And we have the image there. And just by clicking monochrome, we are already here. And let's just save this, save it as, I like to save as often as possible. Black, white, actually, channel, okay, channel mixer. Okay. So now we are in the channel mixer, and we have checked the monochrome, and we can now play with these sliders, the color sliders, and we'll do what Bob suggests, plus 56 for the red. And you see it immediately brightens it. And then we'll do 22 and 22 and 22. And notice it has to be at 100 here, otherwise it's not going to work very well. Now, I would like to make it a little bit, oh no, that doesn't work for me. 22 back. Maybe a little bit. A little bit brighter. So in order to be able to do that, I'll go back to 56. And that basically is it for this channel. And you can again go to layer and your adjustment layer and color balance and do either sepia or cool tone, okay? So that's it for this part 2. I will stop sharing and